Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you, my dear fourth class students. Today discuss about subtract. Okay, today discuss about subtraction. See here, page number 26. Everybody open from your course book. See here, page number 26, course book. Subtract the following numbers. Subtract the following numbers. First one, 459. See, everybody write down course book problems in your CWs. First, in your online classes, what I am saying, first listen carefully. After completion of the class, so this class you will see in your YouTube channel. Then you can write down your notes in your CW. Did you understand? 100% the course book problems write in your CWs. Next, activity problems only in activity book. And workbook problems only in your workbook only you can write down. But here the course book problems everybody write down in your class work CW. Did you understand what I am saying? So first of all, in online classes, what I am saying, first of all listen carefully. So if it is possible, everybody write down your notes. It is not possible, then after, so you can open our YouTube channel. Okay, then you can write notes. Okay, see, first of all listen carefully. 459, 362. So 459, 362 is a 3-digit number. Already everybody you have learned in previous class. See here, first we subtract ones place digit. See here, 9 minus 2 is possible. So 9 minus 2, what we get beta? 7. Next here, in tens place 5 and 6. So 5 minus 6. 5 is less than 6, it is not possible. So what we have to do? Take borrowing from 4. So it can give 10, 10 plus 5, add it, 15. So 4 is giving borrowing means it can last 1, here 3. Then 15 minus 6. What we get? 9. So 3 minus 3, 0. The difference is 97. Next, 754. 532. See, first we subtract the digits in ones place. 4 minus 2, it is possible. 4 minus 2, what we get? 2. Next, 5 minus 3, what we get? 2. 7 minus 5, what we get? 2. So the difference is 222. Next, see here, 356, 228. Listen carefully. First we subtract the digits in ones place. So 6 minus 8 possible beta? Not possible. 6 minus 8 not possible. Then you can take borrowing from 5. So it can give 10, 10 plus 6, 16. So 5 here it can last 1. Then here 4. 16 minus 8, 8. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Now next, 5308 4727 beta. 5308, 4727. See, this is 4-digit number. First we subtract the digits in ones place. 8 minus 7 possible. So 8 minus 7 what we get? 1. Next 0 minus 2. Now next we subtract 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is possible? Not possible. So take borrowing from 3, it can give 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 3 is giving borrow, means it can last 1. Here 2. See here, 10 minus 2, 8. Next, subtract digits in hundreds place. 2 minus 7 possible beta? Not possible. Then take borrowing from 5, it can give 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So 5, it can last 1. Here 4. See, 12 minus 5, 12 minus 7, what we get? 5. Next, 4 minus 4, 0. What is the difference? 581. Now next, 8092, 7905. See here. 2 minus 5. The digits which are in ones place. First subtract. See here. 2 minus 5 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 9. Here 10 plus 2, 12. 9 is giving borrow, means it can last 1 here 5. See? 12 minus 5, 7. 8 minus 0, 8. 0 minus 9 possible beta? Not possible. So take borrowing from 7, it can give 10. So here 7, means the last one. 10 minus 9, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. The difference is 187. Next, 8543. 6879. See here. First subtract the digits in ones place. 3 minus 9 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 4, means it can give 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Here 4 giving borrowing, then you can last one here 3. 13 minus 9, what we get? 4. 9 after you can count. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4. Next, 3 minus 7 possible beta? Not possible. Again take borrowing from 5. It can give 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 5, it can last one here 4. See, 13 minus 7. So 7 after you can count up to 13. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many? 6. Next, 4 minus 8 possible beta? Not possible. Again take borrowing from 8. You can use 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 8, it can last one here 7. 14 minus 8. You can count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 6. Next, 7 minus 6. 1. Very simple. Now next word problem, see everybody. So everybody write down word problems in your CW. Sneha is a flower vendor. Sneha is a flower vendor. Sneha ane ammayi flowers ammutundi. She makes bouquets every day for her customers. The table given below shows the total number of bouquets she made for 4 weeks. Based on this information, answer the corresponding questions. See here, first week number of bouquets what nana? 288. Second week 356. Third week 400 and third week 348. Fourth week 296 bouquets. See here, first question. How many bouquets did Sneha makes in 4 weeks? See here. Combine the number of bouquets Sneha made in the first 2 weeks and next 2 weeks separately. Then find the difference between them. See here, how many bouquets did Sneha makes in 4 weeks? See here. Number of bouquets made by Sneha for 4 weeks in see for 4 weeks, right? Is equals to first week 388, second week 356 plus third week 348 plus fourth week 296. The given numbers write in column wise. Here 288, 356, 348, 296. He asking, what is asking? How many bouquets did Sneha makes in 4 weeks? 4 weeks lo any bouquets తయారు చేసింది. See here, number of bouquets made by Sneha for 4 weeks is equals to, we can add the 4 weeks bouquets. See, first we add the digits in ones place. See here, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 6, 22 plus 6, 28, 8 taking right under ones place, 2 is carrying in tens place. Then we add the digits in tens place along with carrying. See, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, 19 plus 9, 28. So 8 taking, carrying 2 in hundreds place. Next, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So, therefore, number of bouquets made by Sneha for 4 weeks is equals to 1288. Next question, see, combine the number of bouquets Sneha made in the first 2 weeks and the last 2 weeks separately. So, then find the difference between them. See here, next question. Number of bouquets. See here. Next. Second question. Number of bouquets Sneha made. In the first 2 weeks. First 2 weeks means 288 plus 356. See here, 288, 356. First we add the digits in ones place. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 taking, 1 carrying in tens place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So, therefore, number of bouquets, sorry. Number of bouquets Sneha made in the first 2 weeks. Equals to 644. Next, number of bouquets Sneha made in the last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks means third week and fourth week. Last 2 weeks. Last 2 weeks 348 plus 296. See here, 348, 296. 8 plus 6, 14. 4 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 4 taking, 1 carrying. 4 plus 2, 6. So, 644. See what we find out. See here, number of, therefore, number of bouquets Sneha made in the last 2 weeks. What we get? 644. Then what is asking? Then find the difference between them. The difference of first 2 weeks and last 2 weeks made by Sneha. So you can write simply method, their difference. Their difference. Simply you can write their difference. Means 644 minus 644. What we get? 0. See, 8 is subtracted from 8, what we get? 0. 7 is subtracted from 7, what we get? 0. Then we can get 0. That is the conclusion. So now next, addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers. See here, everybody write down the given question in your CW. See here, Anant collected the batting records of some Indian cricket players in all kinds of matches put together. The records are I show here. Anant wanted to analyze this information and find the answers to the following questions. See here, batsman name and runs. Here, batsman M. Dhoni means MS Dhoni, 47,442. Yuvraj, 42,371. Kohli, 32,124. S. Raina, 15,686. S. Dhawan, 10,780. See, first question, see, what is the combined total of Dhoni and Kohli? The total runs of Dhoni and Kohli. See here, the total number of runs. Total number of runs scored by Dhoni is equals to 47,442. Next, total number of runs scored by Kohli is equals to 32,124. Next, combine the total of Dhoni and Kohli. Means the total runs of Dhoni and Kohli. The total number of runs scored by Dhoni and Kohli. Is equals to 47,442 plus 32,124. These are the 5-digit numbers. See here, 47,442, 32,121. First we add the digits in ones place. See here, 2 plus 4, 6, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 3, 7. So what we get? Again you can write total number of runs scored by Dhoni and Kohli is equals to 79,566. Next question, how many runs does Raina needed to reach Yuvraj's score? యువరాజ్ స్కోర్ను రీచ్ చేయాలంటే రైనాకు ఇంకా ఎన్ని రన్స్ కావాలి? సో యూ కెన్ డూ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. See here. Total number of runs scored by Yuvraj is equals to 42,370. Next, total number of runs scored by Raina is equals to 15,686. Number of runs Raina needed to reach Yuvraj's score. Number of runs Raina made to reach Yuvraj's score. That is equals to 42,371 minus 15,686. See here, 42,371, 15,686. 1 minus 6 possible beta, not possible. Take borrowing from 7, it can give 10 plus 1 11, 7 it can last one here 6. 11 minus 6 5, 6 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing from 3, it can give 10, 10 plus 6 16, 3 it can last one here 2. 16 minus 8 8. Next 2 minus 6 not possible. Take borrowing. Okay, 12. 12 minus 6 6. Next 1 minus 5 not possible. Take borrowing from 4. Here 10 plus 1 11. Here 3. 11 minus 5 6. 3 minus 1 26,685. So therefore number of runs Raina need to reach Yuvraj's score. Is equals to 26,685. Now next is the combined total of Raina and Dhawan higher than Dhoni's total score. See here, if the combined total of Raina and Dhawan, the total of Raina and Dhawan, see here, higher than the Dhoni's total score, Raina and Dhawan kalpite Dhoni's score kante ekku unda, higher than Dhoni's score. See here, total number of runs scored by Raina. total number of runs scored by Raina 15,686. Total number of runs scored by Dhawan is equals to 10,780. The total of Raina and Dhawan. Total of shortcut Raina and Dhawan means the total number of runs made by Raina and Dhawan is equals to 15,686 plus 10,780. See here, 15,686, 10,780. See here, 6, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 taking, 1 carrying, 7 plus 7, 14, 4 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 5, 6, 1 plus 1, 2, 26,466. Total of, therefore, Raina and Dhawan is equals to 26,466. Dhoni's total score is equals to 47,442. Since then carefully, since 26,466 is less than 47,442, the combined total of Raina and Dhawan's is not higher than Dhoni's total score. See here, combined total of Raina and Dhawan is not higher than Dhoni's total score. So today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.